So by now, you most likely have figured out that I am a bargain hunter. So when I found this $4.99 true wireless headset from our local supermarket, you just know that I had to get it. But is it any good? For $4.99 you can get pretty much any true wireless headset from Temu or Alibaba or any other of those crap marketplaces. So checking the specifications from the box, this has a Bluetooth connection 5.0, that's quite good. The range is standard 10 meters. Playback should be about 3.5 hours, and the Cradle can charge them for 3 times, so overall playback time 18 hours. That's quite good. But do you know how I can tell that these have been produced like over 3 years ago? QR code from the package doesn't work anymore. It doesn't lead to anything. By regulations, every device sold in EU region should have USB-C connection. These have been imported to the region before the law became valid, and that's like over a year ago. Okay, let's open these up and see what these are all about. These are wireless earbuds semi-in-ear, so you can't shove them deep into your ears, but let's see. Guarantee for 5 years, well, that's quite good. About 10 centimeters USB A to micro USB cable, the buds. These are microphones here, the small holes, and these are some kind of a playback keys. Nothing special on the Cradle. Micro USB for the charging. So you can shove them in wrong way also here. There's a little light that it's most likely on. Let's pair these to my phone. As the name says, these are semi-in-ear headbuds, so they don't really go deep into your ear. Don't really mind. It's just not that these are not if you're going out for jogging, running, exercising, but for office use, okay. Let's play some music. These don't really have any bass, it's just pure discant, and it's kind of killing my ears already. Oh fuck. Oh god, it's painful to listen to music with these. You can't really hear the vocals, there's no bass in the sound, it's just so hollow and mechanical, it's killing my ears with the tunes. Okay, I will be using these for a few weeks and then I will let you know what I think about them, but for you the 2 weeks is done now. Okay, let's finish this crap show. So, not to spoil anything about the end, but it has been a painful few weeks, let's put it that way. Now let's start with the good stuff. For yours and mine surprise, there is actually something good. The size is actually quite good. It fits easily to pocket. It doesn't weigh pretty much anything. And for surprise, the battery actually holds as promised. And these are quite comfortable to wear. Quite. They don't put lot of pressure on your ears. So I hope I could end there and recommend these to you. But sadly, that's not a world where we live in. What is the most important thing about headphones? It's the sound quality. And the sound quality is really that where they drop the ball. Sadly, well, I don't know, sadly or goodly, you can't hear it because these don't have any low noises, nor do they have any high noises. It's just hum in the middle. Let me try to paint you a picture about the soundscape. Imagine sitting in a barrel. Then shove herrings in your ears. No, set them on fire. That's pretty much about it. But for real, so far these have the worst possible sound quality that I've tested so far. So where do I finish then? Well, sometimes you can find good headset for cheap price. Sadly, this ain't the case. Don't buy them. Thanks for watching.